How to add movie clips on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and type yarn.co. Now tap on search. Now find the movie clip you want to add. Now tap on the download option. Now go back to your home screen and open up TikTok application. Now tap on the plus icon. Now upload. Now select the clip you downloaded and tap on next. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.